Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to draw another 2-point perspective for this simple house. You can see that I have drawn the plan here, and this is my north elevation. You can see I have drawn the north arrow, so north arrow is to this side. So my north elevation, it means when I look at the building from this side. So I have drawn this house without any doors and windows, but I have drawn the roof slab as well as the floor slab. So you can see this is my floor slab and here it's my roof slab, and my station point is straight to this point, and this is my picture plane. Horizon line or the eye level is here and ground line is here. Alright, how to start? So you can see my picture plane is touching on this point as well as it's crossing if we consider the whole house. Okay, first step is we have to find our left vanishing point and the right vanishing point. So how to do that? We have to draw a line from the station point up to the picture plane parallel to this line. When it intersects with my picture plane, I'll bring it straight down. Here it's my right vanishing point. Let's find the left vanishing point. So parallel to one of these lines, we have to draw a line from the station point up to the picture plane. When it intersects with the picture plane, I'll draw the line straight down to the horizon line or the eye level. This is my left vanishing point. Well, we are done with two vanishing points, left and right. So let's start drawing the 2-point perspective. Okay, the first step we are done. Then the second step, we have to find the true height or the actual height for this building. So this is the point touching with the picture plane, so it's easy to mark the true height or the actual height on this line. So I'll draw a line. Since our station point is straight to this point, so I bring the line up to the ground line, then I'll mark the height from the elevation. So this is the edge of the wall. You can see I have drawn the wall, so this is the edge of the wall. So this means the building. This is our roof slab, which I have drawn with hidden lines, and this is my floor slab. Alright, so this is the edge of the wall. Okay, I found the vertical location. Now I'll bring the building height. So you have to be very careful. This is my floor slab. This is my roof slab. My building height, it will be, if we start from the ground line, from here to here, including the floor slab and the roof slab, it will be from here to here. I mark the true height for the building. So you can see this is the height of my floor slab, and this will be the height of my roof slab. Let me mark both. Well, this is my floor slab height. From here to here my building height, and from here to here it's my roof slab height. So if you remember what I introduced you, if I have any line with this direction, if I want to find this direction, what we have to do, I have to connect with my right vanishing point. If I have any line, or if I want to find this direction, I have to connect with my left vanishing point. So then this direction, it will be definitely with my left vanishing point. So what I'll do, this is my left vanishing point. So first of all, I'll try to figure out my building without roof slabs and the floor slabs. Okay, so I marked my building height. Then I have to find this point. So what I have to do, I'll connect with that corner with the station point. When this line intersects with the picture plane, I'll bring it straight down, and I'll find this edge, it's over here, and this will be my building. So I am done with my left side, as you can see. All right, now I have to find this side. First of all, I have to find this direction. So it's with my right vanishing point. So it means I'll connect my this edge, which is this one, with my right vanishing point. Here we go. Then connect the corner with the station point. When that line intersects with the picture plane, bring that point down, straight down, and it will be here. All right, as you can see, we are done with the building, this part only. What we have to find next, we have to find our roof slab and the floor slab. Well, now let's start drawing roof slab and the floor slab. So this is my floor slab part, which I can see. So what I'll do, this is the point that touching with the picture plane. So we have to mark the actual height on this line. If you see from the elevation, I have drawn the height from here to here. This is my floor slab actual height. But my floor slab ends here. What I'll do, I will connect this point and this point with my left vanishing point. Why is that? Because I want to find this part. So this one with this direction. So it means I have to connect with my left vanishing point. The top point is already connected with the left vanishing point. So what I'll do, the bottom point, I'll connect with my left vanishing point. and I'll extend more. Okay, you can see here, now we know the two lines which is related to the floor slab. So this is my actual height, but my floor slab ends here. So what I have to do, I should connect this corner with the station point and draw that line up to the picture plane. When it intersects with the picture plane, you have to bring that line straight down. In between these two lines, I found the height of my floor slab. Let me darken it. Well, I'm done with this side. What we have to do, we have to find now this side. This line is with this direction. So it means I have to connect with my right vanishing point. So these two points I'll connect with my right vanishing point. Alright, now I found this side. Then I have to find this edge. So it's somewhere here. What I have to do, I'll connect this corner with my station point. When it intersects with my picture plane, I'll bring that point straight down. You can see that I found this edge. Let me darken that. So I want to find from here to here. So this part, it's with this direction. So it means I have to connect with my left vanishing point. So what I'll do, I'll connect this one with my left vanishing point. You can do one more thing. Since you already know this edge, which is this one, you can draw a line from the left vanishing point. From the left vanishing point up to this, and it should go through this point. It should be like this. Well, we are done with our floor slab. Now what we have to find, we have to find our roof slab. You can see my roof slab is bit shorter than the floor slab. It's like this. So let's find the roof slab next. You can see I have marked the actual height of the roof slab on this line. Why I mark on this line? Because this is the point touching with the picture plane. So I marked it here, and what I can do, because my roof slab and floor slab both are connected to this line, so it is easy for me to mark on this line. So I marked it here. Then I'll first find from here to here, and this direction, it's with my left vanishing point. So I'll connect left vanishing point with these two points, which is bottom and top. Now I have to find this point. I'll connect this corner with my station point and extend that line up to the picture plane. When it intersects with the picture plane, I'll bring it straight down. And it should be here. I have to find from here to here, this side. So you know now it's with my this direction. So I should connect with my right vanishing point. So this bottom point and the top point I'll connect with my right vanishing point. Here we go. Now I found the angle. So what I have to do now, I should now connect this corner with my station point. Since this is the edge of the roof slab over there, when this line intersects with the picture plane, I'll bring it straight down. So it's over here. Let me darken that side as well. Next part is from here to here. So this direction is with my left vanishing point. So I'm going to connect with my left vanishing point, the bottom point and the top point. Or same like how we did for the floor slab, you can draw a line from our left vanishing point through this corner and it should intersect here. Both are correct. If you have done the, you can see here my this point and this point on this line. Well, now we are done with the 2-point perspective for this simple house. This is my floor slab, and this is my roof slab. This one and this one. So hope it's clear for you. All right then. Thank you.